Russia's most advanced fighter jet, the deadly lord of the sky. In the modern battle sky, speed and technology are everything. Russia, with its strong military heritage, has some of the world's deadliest fighter jets. From high-speed dogfight to long-range attacks, these aircraft are designed to control the air. But how sophisticated are they compared to Western fighter jets? Here are some of the most advanced fighter jets that Russia has. 1. Sukhoi Su-57, Felon 5th generation. Fighter jet with stealth technology, Mach 2 speed. An advanced radar that makes it difficult to detect by the enemy. 2. Sukhoi Su-35 Air. Superiority fighter jet with extreme maneuverability thanks to its thrust vector engine. 3. Mikoyan MiG-35 development of MiG-29 with modern avionics system and multi-role capability. 4. Sukhoi Su-34 tactical bomber fighter jet with long range and advanced defense system. 5. Sukhoi Su-30SM, a multi-purpose fighter aircraft used for air dominance and ground attacks. With a combination of speed, radar technology, and advanced weapons, Russian fighter jets remain a threat on the modern battlefield. But is this plane able to compete with American and NATO?